Between yesterday and today, I've learned a lot.
We're able to get a lot of feedback from their experiences.
Considering the fact that there's an increased number of emergencies and disasters in the country, there is need for us to bend backwards and look at those who are affected by these incidents.
This collaborative workshop focused on reaching out-of-school children and youth, supporting psychosocial needs of teachers and learners, and scaling inclusive educational innovations. Over 3 energizing days, key stakeholders from Nigeria's education and humanitarian sectors came together to co-create solutions for improving education in conflict and crisis-affected areas in Nigeria.
We were able to highlight various aspects of GESI that the participants were not so very much aware of, and we were able to enlighten them on the necessity for gender mainstreaming in projects, as well as policies that will ensure that there is equality and equity and proper representation.
Because people lose their livelihoods, their primary concern is not the education, and people go for the immediate need priority. For instance, they look for food and shelters. And because of that, you see, those children are become victims of one incident.
Education in emergencies is basically one of the sectors in the humanitarian dashboard in Nigeria. And it's very essential because it provides for people who have been displaced not to be left behind in terms of education, even when there are disasters.
And one of the outcomes of this is that we identify the need for awareness and sensitization of communities, of individuals, of institutions. And it is very important that we understand the need for this awareness.
So the tendency for people to lose out educationally when there are displacements or other results from disaster events is what we are discussing here today.
I learned a lot from Kabuda. I saw a lot of achievements, a lot of milestones that they have made in the area of education, and it's highly commendable.
The workshop also offered training on gender equity and social inclusion, disaster risk strategies, and risk assessments, ensuring our strategies are inclusive, ethical, and grounded in community realities.